Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLE 43 Coupe 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter bi-turbo V6 pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one comes with a star that illuminates in the grille, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging, a black leather interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, our AMG GLE 43 badging, power lift gate, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, a set of both all-season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a lane keeping assist and blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a multi-color ambient lighting, heated and cooled cup holders, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, navigation. This one also comes with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera, front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for our media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, our button for our heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our wheel and touchpad for our infotainment center. This GLE Coupe has 59,900 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 Coupe, check out feldmannimports.com.